Hi guys, today we will talk about how to connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing, you head over to your Squarespace domain, and here take a look on the right top. You will see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you will click on your profile icon, click on the option domains. After clicking on your domain, you will get access to all domains which you have in your Squarespace. From here, you have to select the domain which you want to transfer to Hostinger. But just for showing you, I will select the second one. After selecting, click on it. Now here you have to remember few things. The first thing is you have to turn off the domain lock. Once it will be done, you have to keep it in your mind. Make sure you have your Squarespace domain more than 60 days, because after 60 days, you can transfer it to another one. And the next thing is, domain log will be off after keeping it in your mind. Copy this knowledge base address and move to your Hostinger. Now on the Hostinger, take a look on the top. You will see multiple options from these. You have to select option domains. Once you will click on it. Here you can see two options: get a new domain or transfer an existing domain. So like we want to transfer an existing domain, I will click on it. Now as I said below, you will see three requirements. The first one is domain transfer requirement. Over 60 days have passed since the initial domain registration or last transfer. The next thing is domain is unlock. Your domain will be unlock. The next thing is you have an authorization code. Once you do, scroll down a bit, and here you have to enter your domain, which you want to transfer. So I will paste the address which I copied from the Squarespace. After pasting, click on the option transfer. Now you can see it's ready for transfer, and it will cost me £8.99. After confirming, clicking on it. Again, tap on the option domain from the top and click on the option transfer, which is on the left side. After clicking on it, scroll down, and here you can see the transfer list. And my domain is still in pending setup. So click on the option setup, and here fill the contact details. After filling, you can see additional information. This one is about domain security authorization code, like EPP code. So how can we get it for getting it? Jump back to your Squarespace, and here, scroll down to the last. And here you can see request transfer code. Click on it. After clicking on the option request transfer code, click on the option send auth code. Now the code has been sent to my email, which I registered in my Squarespace. So let me get that. Here you can see it saying it will take up to 24 hours. So be patient and wait for that time. Now after waiting for 2 hours, I get the code. Now I will paste that here after pasting. I need to select this user hosting servers after this, scroll down to the last, and click on the option transfer domain. After clicking on transfer domain, you can see the transfer is initiated and it will take up to 7 days. Once the transfer will be completed, domain will appear in your domain list. Click on continue and it will redirect to the home page. Now I'm in my domain, and here you can see the transfer initiated. So be patient and wait for the 7 days, and it was the way by which you can do it quickly.